Hi everyone, I'm Morgan from Leadright Group. Today I would like to introduce you to our Leadright Commercial division. The purpose of this video is to show you how, in no time and minimum effort, you can completely change the look of your furniture. Today we chose wood effect. As you can see, you don't have only the wood effect, but you have the real texture of the wood. Leadright provides you a new solution to refurbish your home and office interior. It's anti-scratches, stain-resistant, antibacterial, cost-effective, and many more. So, why replace when you can upgrade and personalize? To know more about us, visit our website or follow us on Instagram. Thank you.